Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about except statement. What the except operator does is it compares the result sets of two queries and returns the distinct rows only from the left table or left query that are not output by the right query. So let's take a look at the Venn diagram here. So let's say we have data as 1, 2, 3 rows in table 1, 2, 3, 4 in table 2. So the except will only output you 1 because 4 is not there in table 1 and 2 and 3 are also there in table 2. So the syntax looks like select list 1 from table 1 except select list 2 from table 2. Now let's take a look at this in practice. Now first let's take a look at the same thing in union. The output would be 55 rows with each city from both the tables and distinct. When we do an except, all the city names that are in employees but not in billing city will only be outputted in except. So the output will be only two cities. Except statement is usually used when you want to see the result which is there only in one table but not in the other, and also there is nothing in common. That's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.